This video is going to blow your mind. Watch this. Shopify store owners, this one's for you. Want to grow your Shopify store fast? Here's how to use AI to scale your Shopify or dropshipping store crazy fast. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to find viral product ideas and write product descriptions that sell. Open up ChatGPT and boom, you can get ideas tailored to your store. Let's get specific. Write 5 viral product ideas for a store that sells phone accessories. And boom, just like that, you have 5 new product ideas to potentially sell. Not only that, but you can also get ChatGPT to write product descriptions for your store. Get it to write a detailed description for a waterproof phone case. And there you have it. You've got a product description that you can use on your store. That'll save you so much time. Step 2. No product photos? No problem. Generate stunning images with AI? No studio needed? Head over to an AI image generator. This is similar to Midjourney or DALL-E, and start typing in your prompts. Let's do a waterproof phone case and see what it comes up with. And boom, you've got some stunning images of your product that you can use on your store. Best part, you don't need a studio or a photographer to make these images. Step 3. AI writes your emails, subject lines, promos, all optimized to convert. Hop onto an email marketing platform and click on the AI writing tool. From here, you can get AI to write emails for you. Let's get it to write a subject line for an email promoting a new phone case. And boom, you've got some subject lines that you can use. It's not only that, but you can also get AI to write the email copy for you. Get it to write an email promoting a new phone case and see what it comes up with. And there you have it. You've got some stunning images of your product that you can use on your store. You've seen how easy it is to use AI to grow your Shopify store. If you're not using AI, you're already behind. Use it. Scale fast. Thank me later. AI equals Shopify cheat code. Follow for more ecom hacks. See you guys next time.